the name of Allah, the most merciful and kindest. My name is Anas Ali God. I am from BBA 2K19. Today I am with different topics which are related with insurance. My first topic is introduction of insurance. My second topic is life insurance. My third topic is health insurance, and my fourth topic is fire insurance. So let's discuss about the first topic is introduction to insurance. What is insurance? Insurance is a contract between two parties. One is insurer and second is insured. Insurer promises to pay the amount of money and the event which will occur on the insured. Insurer is a company that promises to pay the amount of any kind of the event which will occur in the life of insured. Insured is a person who keeps his policy in insurer. Here the insurer is a company that compensates or gives the different kind of the events which are happening in insured life. Then he has to give that kind of the amount of the money to that person. And it is depend upon the policy that which type of the policy that insurer is keeping. Insured is keeping to insurer. Here there are three terms for the insurance. The first one is insurer, the second is insured, the third is premium. What actually insurer is? Insurer is a company where insured keeps his policy to insurer for insurance, and the second is insured. Insured is a one person who keeps his policy in insurer and gives premium on the annual basis. This is called insured. And the last is premium. Premium is what? That the amount which is given by insured to insurer is called premium. Premium is often given to insurer on an annual basis. And now the importance of insurance. What actually the importance of insurance is? Insurance provides safety and security. People will be safe and secure when they have the insurance. They will say that the losses which are going to be occur in our life will be compensated by insurance company for them. The second is generates financial resources. Actually, the financial resources will be generated by insurance when the insurance company gets the premium on annual basis after it invests on different projects as well as in company and industries for it that they are investing in somewhere and are getting the amount. This is called the financial resources are happening. The third is life insurance encourage savings. Whenever you keep life insurance, then the savings will happen of both. The first, the insured who is keeping his policy life insurance, that he is saving his money, and as well as insurer company also gets somehow the benefits that they are getting the annual premium and are investing somewhere. And now the fourth is medical support. When a person who becomes ill and or he meets with an accident and he has the health insurance, then he will be supported by insurance company. And the fifth is spreading of loss. Spreading of risk is one kind of the biggest thing that a person mitigates his risk when he puts insurance. And the sixth is promotes economic growth. When you put policy like life insurance and motor insurance, health insurance, then you are giving premium to insurance company for it that they are getting the annually premium from you and they are investing somewhere that creates economic growth in country. Here the second topic is mine life insurance. What actually the life insurance is? Life insurance is a contract between two parties. The one is insurer and second is policyholder or insured, in which that the insurer promises that he will give his family a great amount of money when he dies, or if his age of contract completed 20 years or 25 years are mentioned in contract, then he will be provided with a huge amount of money when the contract will be completed. Or if a person who dies during contract, then his family will get huge amount of money when he dies. So here the insurer promises these all kinds of things, and insured gives premiums on annual basis. There are different types of life insurance, like the term insurance and whole life insurance. These are the some kind of the types of the life insurance. And now the third topic is health insurance. What actually health insurance is? Health insurance is a type of a general insurance, covers the cost of medical care. In health insurance, there are two parties as well. The first one is insurer and the second is insured. Insurer promises that he will give the cost of his treatment of illness as well as accidents which are occurring on the insured. Health insurance is all about the health of a person. Either it is accidents or it is treatment of an illness of any kind of the disease that he is, it will be covered by that contract. Usually health insurance covers hospitalization, that a person, for suppose he meets with an accident, then he is hospitalized in hospital. After the health insurance will give him huge amount of money for his treatment. Second, the treatment of critical illness. Critical illness is often happening, if a person who has a health insurance, then he will be gotten by the huge amount of money from the health insurance. And the third is medical bills. Medical bills are so expensive for it that people they are keeping their health insurance for making their life free from the risks. And now here the some kind of the things which are included in health insurance. The first one is maternity cover, the second is pre-existing diseases cover, and third is accident cover. Here what actually the maternity cover is? Maternity cover is all about the childbirth. When a person who is understanding that now it is time to keep the maternity cover for my child, then the pre-delivery will be included in a maternity cover. There is a post-natal cares for the child and different checkups which are happening before delivery. These all are included in maternity cover. The second is pre-existing diseases cover. When a person who has a disease before purchasing health insurance, then he must have to mention that in a contract that I possess this disease before purchasing. Then he has to mention for it that the cost of the that treatment of disease will be given by also health insurance to that person. The third is accident cover. Accident covers, which means that a person who meets with an accident, then the injuries of the cost will be given by health insurance to that person. It is called accident cover. Here the fourth topic is fire insurance. What actually fire insurance is? Fire insurance pays or compensates for the damages caused to your property or goods due to fire. Fire insurance has two parties. The one is insurer and second is insured. The insurer promises to pay for all kinds of the damageable things which are damaged in the property because of a fire, as well as the property which has been damaged in fire will be compensated by fire insurance. Fire insurance includes the small goods which are burnt in the fire. Then these will be given by the fire insurance. Here the point is it covers replacement. Replacement, which means that your property is burnt. Now your whole family will be replaced from that place and will be given a new, or we can say a home where you will live for temporary, and after when your reconstruction of a house will happen, then you will be shifted there. The third is it also covers damages caused to a third party due to fire, like when the damages are happening of the neighbors because they are too near to your property. For suppose the people's homes are near to your property, then and their property is damaged because of your property, then they will be also compensated in a fire insurance policy. Here the types of fire insurance are: the number one is valued policy, and second floating policy, third comprehensive policy. Now what actually valued policy? Valued policy are such policies where your property value is saved, which means your property must have a value. If your property does not have any kind of a value, then your property does not be considered, and nothing will be given to you, and then even your fire insurance will not be kept for your property. That's called valued policy, which means your property must have a valued. The second is floating policy. Floating policy covers your whole goods which are lying in your property. Even the small goods which are lying in your property will be compensated with the help of floating policy. If you keep floating policy, then the things will be provided either depends upon the fire insurance that the floating, according to floating policy, your goods will be compensated by fire insurance. And the third is comprehensive policy. Comprehensive policy covers all kinds of things. It covers the property, goods which are damaged, or even theft or burglary also happens when fire happens. When fire ignites, then there are different things can be done, like the people can thief from the goods that you have can be thieved during the fire. So the fire insurance includes these all kinds of the things. In last, thank you for listening this whole video.